Welcome back to Digital Whiz Academy. In our last video, we introduced you to Figma and its key features. Now, we're going to dive deeper into the basics of Figma, exploring the interface and essential tools you'll be using in your design projects. This video will cover understanding the interface, basic tools, and working with layers. Let's get started. Dear friends, Figma's interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced designers to navigate. Let's break down the main components. The first component on my list is Toolbar. Toolbar is located at the top. The toolbar contains all the essential tools for designing, such as the selection tool, shape tools, and text tool. You can also access additional features like grids, rulers, and plugins from here. The second one is Layers panel. Dear friends, on the left side, the Layers panel helps you organize your design elements. You can create, group, and manage layers, which is crucial for maintaining a well-structured design. The third and second last component on my list is Properties panel. On the right side, the Properties panel allows you to customize the attributes of selected elements. Here, you can adjust properties like colors, sizes, fonts, and effects. Now the last component is Canvas. Dear friends, the central area where you'll do most of your designing. This is where you place and arrange your design elements. Dear friends, hope you will be able to understand a lot about above components. Let's explore the basic tools you'll be using in Figma. Number 1 on my tools list is Selection tool. Dear friends, the Selection tool is your primary tool for selecting and manipulating elements on the canvas. You can move, resize, and rotate objects with ease. The second one is Shape tools. Shape tools allow you to draw basic geometric shapes. These shapes are the building blocks of your designs and can be customized in the Properties panel. Now the third and second last tool on my list is Pen tool. Dear friends, the Pen tool is used for creating custom vector shapes and paths. This tool is essential for designing complex shapes and illustrations. So finally, the last tool on my list is Text tool. The Text tool lets you add and edit text. You can customize fonts, sizes, colors, and more in the Properties panel. Dear friends, the last topic of today's discussion is working with layers. Layers are fundamental to organizing your design elements. Here are some key points about working with layers. Creating and managing layers. Dear friends, to create a new layer, simply draw a new shape or add text. Layers are automatically added to the Layers panel. You can rename layers for better organization. Grouping and ungrouping layers. Dear friends, grouping layers helps keep related elements together. You can ungroup layers when needed. The order of layers in the Layers panel determines their stacking order on the canvas. You can rearrange layers by dragging them up or down in the panel. Locking and hiding layers. Dear friends, lock layers to prevent accidental changes and hide layers to declutter your workspace. Use the lock and eye icons in the Layers panel for these actions. Dear friends, that wraps up our overview of Figma's basic tools and features. Now that you have a good understanding of the interface, basic tools, and how to work with layers, you're ready to start creating your own designs. In our next video, we'll delve into designing basics, where we'll cover creating frames, shapes, and working with text in more detail. Be sure to subscribe to Digital Whiz Academy and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's continue our journey to mastering Figma together.